Every day you take physics and mathematics, okay? Where did you go yesterday, Islam? I'm go. Where did you go? Where did you go? It's in the past. You can say I go. I went. Where did you go? I went to Athens. What else? Where did you go, Mishal? Okay. Let's ask some questions about what we took the last week. Okay. How did people in the past get water? How did people in the past get water? On tap or from what? From a well. Excellent, Omar. From a well. Just one. That's okay. From a well. People in the past get water for drink from a well, not like nowadays from a tap on tap. How did people travel in the past? How did people travel in the past? In the past, Salman. How did people travel? Were they cars? Camels. They traveled on camels. What else? Horses. What else? Nasser. How did people in the past travel? Camels, horses, Sam? Donkeys. Excellent. Okay. How did they live? Where did they live in the past? In a modern house or what? In simple house. It's called traditional house. Excellent. Traditional house. Today we are going to take a new unit. A new unit. You didn't see it. Just listen to this conversation between a man and his friend, a robot.
Nope, that's not our bus.
What happened now? What happened? What happened? What did the bus get? What did the bus? Yes? Smoke. Do you know smoke? Wasn't it smoke? Yes, I know a lot of you smoke. But this smoke from the bus. Yes. Listen.
Dear Tim and Moby, what causes pollution in the air?
What causes pollution in the air? What causes pollution in the air? What causes pollution in the air? What causes pollution in the air? Listen.
Dear Tim and Moby, what causes pollution in the air? Runs high. Well, we just saw one way the air gets polluted. Some natural problems add pollutants to the air, like volcanic eruptions, forest fires.
Volcanic eruptions. Wasn't it volcanic eruptions? Volcanic eruptions. Yes, it's natural. It's natural. Yes, it's natural. Not man-made. It's natural.
Some natural problems add pollutants to the air, like volcanic eruptions, forest fires, and grass fires. But most pollution comes from 5 sources: cars, industry, power plants, heat for buildings, and burning wastes.
Again, there are 2 kinds, natural and man-made. Natural, like volcanoes, fires in the forests, and fires in the grass. But man-made, like cars, factories, okay, factories also. What is this? What is this? This is garbage, trash. Do you know? Garbage and trash. Some people get fired of the garbage and trash.
Some natural problems that pollute cars, buses, trucks, trains, and planes all use combustion engines that burn fossil fuels for energy.
Try to
When fossil
remember
fuels
the
are burned,
words.
polluting chemicals.
Try to remember the words.
When fossil fuels are burnt, cars, buses, trucks, trains, and planes all use combustion engines that burn
Cars, buses, trucks, planes. All of them makes air pollution.
Cars, buses, trucks, trains, and planes all use combustion engines that burn fossil fuels for energy. When fossil fuels are burned, polluting chemicals like carbon dioxide are sent into the air. Polluted air around cities is called smog. That's a mixture of smoke and fog. Photochemical smog is a hazy brown blanket that's created when sunlight reacts with pollutants in the air. You can find this type of smog over really big cities such as New York City, Los Angeles, and Denver. Sulfurous smog is created when coal is burned. When sulfur compounds, dust, and smoke collect in an area with little wind, a blanket of gray smog forms. Sulfur smog is a product of waste that's made by humans and nature. If the wind is blowing, sulfurous smog can't form. Yeah, it's no good for anybody to breathe in these pollutants. Well, I guess we can't go to the beach now. Acid rain is another major pollution problem.
What's the meaning of acid rain? When there is a lot of smoke in the air, and when it rains, there is acid rain. What's the meaning of acid rain? Do you know acid? The car, the battery, acid. What's the meaning of acid rain? مطر ايه؟
حمضي
إشعاعي؟
حمضي
مطر ايه؟ حمضي مطر حمضي okay?
Acid rain is another major pollution problem. Exhaust chemicals from power plants and cars combine with moisture in the air to form acids that fall down to Earth. Acid rain increases the acidity of soil and water on Earth. Automobile pollution is a major problem, but there are some little things that we can do to help. We can ride bikes and walk for transportation. And we can insulate our homes so they don't require much heat. Catching a ride with a friend is another good way to reduce pollution. And every little bit of electricity we save means less we have.
What can you do to solve this problem of pollution? We can ride what? We can ride bicycle. Can you ride a bicycle here in Saudi Arabia? No. Can you ride a bicycle in the street? What else? Again.
We can ride bikes and walk for transportation. And we can insulate our homes so they don't require much heat. Catching a ride with a friend is another good way to reduce pollution. And every little bit of electricity we save means less we have to produce by burning fossil fuels.
The walls, this is a wall. It is, yes.
Why?
No, بيعملها حاجة كده عشان تزرع ايه الحرارة بس شوية عشان المكيفات وكده. And you can ride with your friend. Everyone can go to the school in his car alone. No, you can go to the school with your friends in one car, okay? And try to save electricity.
We can ride bikes and walk for transportation. And we can insulate our homes so they don't require much heat. Catching a ride with a friend is another good way to reduce pollution. And every little bit of electricity we save means less we have to produce by burning fossil fuels. All of those things can lead to less air pollution and a cleaner